Hello everyone, this is Kat, and you're going to hear some things in the background. It's my husband mowing. It's a non-ASMR video. I just wanted to give a quick recap. I've been working like a dog this week, and I'm just trying to keep up with my uploads and show y'all what I'm doing. Even though I'm not filming everything I do, I am doing things. I have been watching a couple different channels and decided I wanted to try some things. One of the things I want to try is all of it. Anyway, I'm going to be trying some monoprinting this coming week because I'm actually maybe going to go back to a normal schedule next week for a little bit, which is going to be so exciting. Anyway, so monoprinting, this is where you layer many different things on top of a clay slab, and then you form it, and then you biscuit, and you get all these different textures and details on the slab, and then you coat it with a clear coat. If you want to learn how to do that part of it, you can watch the Pottery Corner. She gives several different, very detailed, about 3 different videos on how to do that. So I thought, well, that's kind of cool. Never made slip. Pottery Crafters has a couple different slip making videos. I didn't have the bone dry slip, the bone dry clay, according to that, so I'm going to just refer you back to her. But I did have my normal T-Mix 6, which is a cone 6 white clay, and so I may use that, trying to be just getting some things done for this coming week of trying the monoprinting. So I had, let's see, I have some yellow ochre, I have some red iron oxide, I had about 4 different mason stains. This is black, 6600. This is, I only got a 1/4 pound of this because it's expensive, but I can't pronounce that name, but it's mason stain 6450. I have, oh, this one, the sticker fell off. It's red, something red. I've had it for a while now. And then I got a 1/4 pound of this. Let's see, can you see? It looks like it's 6339 mason stain. And I had some baggies. And this is the colors that I went with. So I did 10 ounces, 10 to 11 ounces of slip to 30 cc's of colorant. It's kind of like the 2 tablespoons. Approximately 15 mils is a tablespoon. So it'll be just a little bit, but at least that way I have a set measurement. So I've got the red iron oxide. I made a little bit more of it. I thought maybe I could do some fall colors and then some brighter colors. Got the black mason stain, yellow ochre slip, the mason red, questionable, not sure what it was, numbered. Got the blue mason slip and some yellow mason slip. Now in the meantime, I'm also, before I do it again, I'm going to, well, first I'm going to see how this turns out before I start doing all kinds of more slip. But I'm going to mix up some with cobalt and mix up some with some copper carbonate. And I'm kind of curious to see how the colors mingle in the slips by mixing them together as well. Like mix a little bit of this with a little bit of that to change out the colors a little bit. Just see what happens. But before I do all that, first I have to actually do a monoprint and see what this is going to look like, and do some test tiles to see what it looks like on the different clays that I've got. Anyway, that's the proposed things to do this week. So wish me luck, and I get off again on Monday. So Monday and Tuesday. So I'll have a 2-day off. Yay! I hope everybody's week goes wonderful, and we'll see where this goes. Thank you. Bye.